According to reports, countries like Egypt, Turkey and even Pakistan are helping diffuse the tension between America and Iran. In fact, it seems that Pakistan is the new go-to as Trump's conflict and tension with Iran escalates. According to these reports, Egypt, Turkey and Pakistan have had multiple rounds of talks with Witkoff, who is the US Special Envoy to the Middle East, and of course, Kushner, who is Trump's son-in-law. But where is India amidst this all? Why don't we have a seat at that high-stakes table? Or are we too busy promoting a propaganda movie like Dhurendhar or making reels with red laser eyes? To be a part of the conversations that truly matter, to be a part of the conversations that are reshaping the global order all around us. If this is not an abject failure and collapse of our foreign policy, then I wonder what is. And Mr. Modi, you will have to answer that why is India not a part of these conversations and a terror haven, a terror state like Pakistan is? Because this is truly unacceptable.